Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the dynamic world of Indian influencers, where creativity meets influence and personalities shine brighter than ever before. From tech enthusiasts to fashion mavens, comedy kings to social activists, India's YouTube scene is bursting with talent and diversity. First up, we have TheMermaidscales, the anime-loving sensation who conquered TikTok with her quirky style and infectious humor. Despite the ban, she continues to entertain millions through her Instagram and YouTube channel, where she shares comedic sketches and beauty tips. With over 17.8 million TikTok followers and 1 billion likes, TheMermaidscales is a force to be reckoned within the digital realm. Next on our list is Shlok Srivastava, India's tech guru who makes learning about technology fun and engaging. Did you know Shlok also runs a successful business selling phone skins and merchandise, adding to his impressive portfolio in the tech industry? Now let's talk about fashion with Komal Pandey, the trailblazing fashionista who turned her passion for style into a thriving career. With close to 1.9 million followers on Instagram, Komal continues to inspire millions with her impeccable style and creative content. From her early days as a fashion blogger to collaborating with top brands like Olay and Amazon, Komal's journey is a testament to chasing your dreams fearlessly. Get ready to laugh out loud with Ashish Chanchalani, the comedic genius behind Ashish Chanchalani Minds. From winning prestigious awards to making a cameo in Men in Black International, his comedic talents knows no bounds. Ashish also directed a spine-chilling horror film, Aakhri Safar, which garnered millions of views on YouTube. Now let's talk about Ranveer Alabadia, the embodiment of motivation and self-improvement. Did you know Ranveer manages 6 YouTube channels, each catering to different aspects of personal growth and development? With his podcast, leadership coaching, and entrepreneurship speeches, Ranveer inspires millions to unlock their full potential and chase their dreams relentlessly. Last but not least, we have carryminati, the gaming sensation who captured the hearts of millions with his hilarious scripts and diss videos. With over 40 million subscribers, carryminati is a household name in the Indian YouTube community. Whether he's roasting opponents or showcasing his gaming skills, carryminati's content is always a roller coaster of entertainment. And that's a wrap on India's influencer scene. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Mediator for more valuable information. Until next time, keep spreading positivity and stay motivated. Bye for now.